Hey traders, the AI bubble continues, but I think it's coming down. We have double tops in place, false breakouts happening. So I want to share with you guys a quick little update on the Nasdaq again, and also some of the actual tech stocks that I'm showing you that are probably giving you false breakouts, potential double tops, and why the warning bells are still screaming for the AI bubble to burst with these massive double tops and topping patterns. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video, because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, traders, so let's get straight into it. Traders, a very first link in the description there. See that trading course on the screen there right now, guys? I'm giving away free access to that trading course right now. Free membership access. That second link in the description there, guys, go click on that, go get free membership access. So let's actually start off with the good old Nasdaq right now. And we could see here that what's actually happened with the Nasdaq is the Nasdaq actually has completely run to the upside. Nasdaq 100. We definitely did have, let's actually bring this back here. So we could see that we had this one resistance here, second resistance here, and now we've actually broken past that resistance, and it almost got to this other level of resistance before starting to fail a little bit, right? So there's a potential false breakout, also potentially another resistance right above it as well too, right? Especially after seeing this extraordinary quality move to the upside. So that's what we're seeing through there when it comes to the Nasdaq, but here's where it gets pretty interesting, right? There is false breakouts and there is double tops, topping patterns forming all over the shop, right? So let's actually start off with Apple. What has Apple been doing? Okay, so Apple, if we bring up Apple's exact high point from there to there, what has Apple been doing? Screaming to the upside. We actually broke above the high up here. And whenever the market does that, whenever the market actually goes up, it may have a little pullback and then boom, break above the high. Because it's already been going up for quite a bit of time, this is massive probability this is going to be the end of the move. Suck a lot of people in, and then we get the good old drop in the markets. We're probably going to get the good old drop in the markets, right? Probably a 10 to 15% drop in the markets there. So this is where Apple is giving us that potential false breakout. And it's a massive high probability it's going to be a false breakout because we had a move out. Now, it would be a lot different. It would be a lot different if the market did rally up to here, hit it, have a good breakout, maybe spend a bit of time and then break out. Then that's this one here, because we already got the pullback, that would give us a probability of a continuation of a breakout. Now, what is actually happening here? What is actually happening? We're getting what? We're getting a completely false breakout to the upside. So now we're probably going to see a movement to the downside. Moving on now through to good old Microsoft. And what's happening with Microsoft? Look at this here. This is a complete massive double top, right? Complete massive double top. Massive, it's taken what? It's taken, what's this here? Over, where is that? Oh, that's there. Probably a year and a half. How many bars is that, right? From that point there to that point there, right? 300, what's that there? 393 bars, or 571 days to build, 571 days to build this massive double top in Microsoft right now. You can see, and you can see what actually happened with Microsoft. Here's the double top. But if I zoom right in, look what actually happened recently. Right, very big sort of bearish pattern through here. If my cursor would do it, look at this here. So it actually slightly broke above it, slightly broke above that all-time high, and then completely engulfed it right there, right? Completely engulfed it. So if I go down to, say, the hourly chart, let's have a look at the hourly chart, maybe the 15-minute chart as well, right? So I'm just having a look here, 15-minute chart. There's also the 5-minute chart as well. Okay, so I'm just seeing if there's any patterns here that I can possibly see. Look, that's actually the false breakout. Look, up, down, false breakout, move. Okay, so that's actually Microsoft there when it comes to this AI bubble. All right, the AI bubble is going to burst. This AI bubble is just crazy, isn't it? Crazy. Anyway, so that's that one. That's that one through there. If we go have a look at Adobe, and what has Adobe done? Adobe has had an extraordinary quality move to the upside, extraordinary quality move. But where has it ran into? It's now ran into where? See that level right through there. It's almost got to that level there and completely rejected it. As you can see, it gapped up, almost hit that level of resistance, right? And then actually came back down on that there. So just a big vertical move up. So this is very, very, very dangerous in the markets here. We also have Meta. What did Meta do? Meta actually came and closed its gap, right? That's the gap right there, or just a few little cents off closing this gap. And that's where Meta is right now. So one last little push to come and close the gap. And now we're at all this, right? What are we looking for now, right? Look at all that area of resistance and support. And now we're looking at that area of resistance through there as well too, right? So that's what we're looking at through there, traders. A big area of resistance through here. And last but least is Nvidia. Nvidia had a complete massive blowout from its high up here. It ran up. Look at this here, guys. Look at this here, right? Big move up. A little pullback, and then away we go again. Guess what? Massive potential false breakout. Look, it did back here, right? Up. Little pullback, another push up, and then guess what? Completely move to the downside. So we're starting to get a lot of these tech stocks really starting to have these massive overextended moves, potential double tops, patterns, overextended patterns through here, and just a confirming reminder of where we are at with this AI bubble, right? A confirming reminder that the fear and greed index, remember the fear and greed index, when people are fearful, be greedy. When people are greedy, be fearful. Right now, the fear and greed is at extreme greed right now. And we do not want to be fighting this market. Okay, please do not fight this market. And what I mean by that is that if you buy the market right now, and that's where you think the market's going to keep going up, right? Then you're betting and hoping that this move here is continuing to the upside, which if you look at any market if you look at any stock or any market, you'll know that we go for a while and then we get a bit of a pullback. We go for a while, we get a pullback, go for a while, get a pullback, right? We've been going for a long time. So it continuing on may happen, but probably just a little bit more if it's going to continue up before we see that big, strong pullback. Hey traders, I want to give you free access to my Mastering the Markets trading course. If you go to johnsfreegift.com, here's what you're going to learn in there. You're going to learn the #1 chart reading and trading technique that's been working since the 1950s. You're going to learn the trading boundaries technique that shows you the best and worst time to place a trade. You're going to learn also about price and time phases so you can understand what's going on right now and also what's to come as well too. My #1 powerful short-term income trading system that gets a 90% success rate, the most powerful trading techniques on the planet, the biggest trading mistakes that's stopping you from making an income. You're going to learn all about the super trader formula, plus the 3 secrets to making a full-time income from trading. So this is what I want you to do right now. Go to johnsfreegift.com. Go there right now. Get free access to this trading course. Go get the help. It's 100% free. Go there right now. Go to johnsfreegift.com right now.